All right, ladies and gentlemen, step 7, student loans. Now, student loans are a major problem for a lot of people these days. And so, more than likely, you had to take out some student loans to help pay for college because college is rather expensive. You have to pay these loans back. The longer you went to school, the more student loan debt you have. So, use the code from step 1 to determine your monthly student loan payment. So, if you remember, I'm going with a code 3, a 5 to 7 year, because I went and got my master's to become a scientist. So I'm going to select this 589 for code 3. Now, sometimes your parents can help you out pay for college. So what you're going to do is you're going to roll the die to find out how much your parents helped you pay for. So I've provided you with a link right next to it in the form of this die. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this die. It'll open up a link for you. Uh-oh. All right, sorry about that. So yeah, I fixed the problem. So you click on the die, it'll open up this link to roll a die. 6-sided die, you roll it, and whatever you get, like a 5. So here I rolled a 5. I then go back to my page, my step, and I look and see 5. So your parents paid for most of your college tuition, so you're going to deduct 75%, or what's in the parentheses, decimal 75, as in 75 hundredths, from your monthly bill. Oh, my parents helped me out a lot. So what I do is I take up what I'm going to pay normally, 589. I'm going to multiply that by 75%, or 75 hundredths, and get 441. And so then I'm going to take that away from my monthly payment. So I take 589 minus 441.75. 589 minus 4, yeah, taking 441 away from my monthly payments. So that leaves me with $147.25. $147.25 a month. Because I rolled the die and I got into this. So that means I'm paying $147 per month on my student loans. So then you know the drill. You go back up to the top here, and what you left off with, 30,122.50. So you left with 3,122, 3,122.50. Take away your monthly bill for student loans, $147.25. And this now leaves us with $2,900, $2,975.25. 75.25 after you've paid your student loans. And that should finish you up for step 7 of your student loans.